Hi there, Tech Grandma here. Join me as I dive deep into the unknown and try out this crazy poop camera in the toilet to reveal what really goes on down there. We've all been told that the scientists have been examining our waste in our waste treatment facilities to determine many things, but most often what we've been hearing is about how they can tell whether there's an uptick in COVID-19 based on their analysis of the wastewater. Well, now there's a company in Austin called Crohn that has a camera you can buy to attach to your toilet that takes photos of your poop, and it analyzes it to make a number of determinations about your health. I suppose if my doctor was really concerned about my gut health, I might consider such a device, but it really makes me queasy thinking about repeatedly looking at pictures of my droppings. Crohn calls its underlying technology artificial gut intelligence. According to Crohn, the AI is, quote, trained by physicians to help you understand what your waste is trying to tell you about your health, unquote. The doctors are looking for various signs of health found in waste matter, including nuances in urine to determine hydration levels. According to TechCrunch, they received a privacy and security page from Crohn addressing some of the concerns raised by the very act of photographing that area. Of course, users would want to know what is being recorded and how those images are being used. Crohn indicates we can only capture images of the content of your toilet bowl. Any other data is irrelevant to our mission and could compromise our ability to provide accurate health insights. They use the image recognition technology to delete any non-relevant images automatically, so that data is not even collected. Only toilet-related data is saved. Users can ask for access to their data and can ask for their data to be completely deleted. The data is encrypted by TSL 1.2 or higher on their servers. And here's a quote from the Crohn website. Today, we can improve your wellness. Tomorrow, we'll save lives. We see our technology as part of a paradigm shift, moving from reactive treatment to proactive wellness. Crohn is on a mission to improve overall health, reduce the burden of digestive diseases, and one day save lives through earlier detection of life-threatening conditions like colon cancer, end quote. Do you think this could be a game changer or just another piece of technology that'll go by the wayside? Let me know in the comments. You can check out more information about it on the Crohn website, and you'll find a link to that in the description. The Crohn camera has not been released just yet. Keep checking their website for the upcoming release date. Be sure and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you found this video interesting. Check out my other video about smart toilets. Bye for now.